In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form page on GetResponse. By the end of this session, you'll have a well-crafted form ready to capture visitor data seamlessly, either through your website or as a pop-up. Let's dive right in. To start, open your preferred web browser. Type GetResponse in the search bar and hit Enter. Once you find the official GetResponse website, go ahead and log into your account. If you're not registered yet, take a moment to sign up. It's straightforward, and you'll gain access to all the platform's features. Upon logging in, you'll find the Tools menu located in the top navigation bar. Click on it to reveal a submenu and select Forms and Pop-ups. This is where you'll begin your form creation journey. Now, locate and click the Create Form button. Here, you'll choose the type of form you wish to design. You can either create an embedded form, which you would add directly to your website, or opt for a pop-up form that appears to visitors at the precise moment you choose. Next up is the fun part, designing your form. You'll notice a variety of templates available. If you're a beginner, it's a great idea to start with one of these templates as they provide a quick and professional-looking design. However, if you wish to unleash your creativity, you can start with a blank canvas. The drag-and-drop editor is your primary tool here. It allows you to add, rearrange, and style the form elements to your liking. Feel free to customize the color scheme, typography, and more to ensure the form aligns with your brand. Once your design feels just right, it's time to configure the subscription settings. This involves selecting the list you'll add your subscribers to and deciding on your opt-in confirmation settings. It's crucial to get this part right for managing your subscribers effectively and staying in compliance with data protection regulations like GDPR. Before publishing, take advantage of the preview option. It's important to see how your form will appear on various devices, especially mobiles, as a significant amount of web traffic comes from these devices. Ensuring your form looks and functions well on all screen sizes is key to capturing as many signups as possible. Let's move toward publishing. Depending on whether you chose an embedded form or a pop-up, you'll have different next steps. For embedded forms, you'll get a JavaScript code. Copy this code and paste it into your website's HTML where you want the form to appear. For pop-ups, you'll need to set up display rules, like timing and target audience, and save these settings. Finally, integrate your form with your website. For embedded forms, insert the code in the right spot on your site. For pop-ups, make sure they're linked and timing is finely tuned. And there you go. Your form is ready to go live, ready to engage with your audience and help grow your email list.